Good afternoon, everybody. Let's look at a couple of finished knives right quick. Now these will mail out of here tomorrow. Have a J. Skinner neck sheath. Right there, that's the one y'all saw about a week or so back. The matching pair, they were both sold. One of them's already gone. This one will leave out of here tomorrow. Camp knife. Finally got my leather so I can get the sheath done. Dark handle. There it is right there. Don't mind the band-aid. I cut my finger on this first thing this morning, so trying to get it fitted, but done. These both will be headed to their new homes tomorrow morning. I still got one J. Skinner available. This here with a little shorter crown stag handle. Still available. Neck sheath or belt sheath, whichever you want. Not gonna mark it down. $100 free shipping. That is a fair price and a good deal. Now let me see. Finished those up this morning. I did some more work in the shop throughout the day. Let me show you all that right quick. Oh, and I got a much needed haircut. I know it was getting out of hand, so and it was very hot. Alright, let's turn the camera this way. These clamps have been in my way forever, so I built me a little clamp rack stuck up in the ceiling up there. Got it all out of my way. And over here I've been wanting to do something with my grinders forever. They've been down the bottom of the toolbox. So I had some of this, these old racks. They've been around here for a couple of years now. And some attachments to them. I just bent them out, modified them, and made me a rack to hang my grinders on. And my cutting wheels and a few of those things. I've got more to do to this. I'm going to fix up something to hang my drills. My corded drills, power drills. The cordless stuff's all over here, but I do have several corded drills that are very good tools. Just because they got a cord don't mean they're obsolete. So worked on that today. Slowly but surely I'll get the shop put together just exactly like I want it. Now I'm going to go out and check the mailbox, see if we might have some mail today. I'm expecting a couple of things, and if I get those, I will one of them anyway, I'll show it to you. If not, that'll be the end of the video. Thank y'all for watching. Thank you for your support, and I'll see y'all in 1 or 2 days.